And there's outdoor projects that you can do that will end up paying off the most. And one of them is what we were just talking about, and that's the best return on investment. Your just standard lawn care, making sure that your yard looks decent, isn't overrun with weeds, is nice and thick.
Well, yeah. So having and what they meant with that is like doing the applications of fertilizer and weed control, that there's really a huge payoff on that, that it more than pays for itself. And so this was sponsored by a lawn care company. No. But, you know, when on a beautiful home, if the lawn is looking really neglected or really weedy, boy, that does devalue it. So I can see how that is true.
And it's standard lawn care service is probably one of the lower ticket items on this list,
yeah,
too.
I mean, on their estimate, they were talking about like maybe $400 a year, and it depends on the size. They had a 5,000 square foot lawn. That's tiny by our standards.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So I guess take that times like 2 to 3.
Landscape maintenance is another great return on investment, meaning just mulch, prune your shrubs, plant perennials or annuals.
And so that's for maintenance, but that's one of the big things I talk to about sellers getting ready to put their home on the market. Like fresh mulch so dresses up a landscape. So even if there's areas that really don't have great perennials or bushes and it's just kind of dirty looking, putting a nice fresh coat of fresh layer of mulch there makes such a massive difference for not much money.
Because the buyer can imagine what they would put in that area, right?
It doesn't look like just oh, this is going to be work here.
Another outdoor investment that you could make on your home is an outdoor kitchen. And they're going all out.
I mean, this is a little higher dollar item than the other ones we talked about.
Yes.
I mean, they're talking about a grill, stainless steel drawers, ice chest sink, and a concrete countertop with veneered masonry stone. Estimated cost $15,000. I think it needs to be the right price point of home for that to make sense.
Yeah.
Yes. Your overall landscape upgrade, meaning maybe you install a front walkway, add some planters, flowering shrubs, a tree.
They're saying you get 100% recoupment on your investment. I think it probably depends on what you started with.
And finally, a new patio is also a good return on an investment too.
Yeah.
And that can help create just an outdoor living space for not nearly as much money as, I don't know, sinking $15,000 into an outdoor kitchen.
There's a lot of different ways that you can do it. And I think it just depends on your intent, how long you're going to be there, and what you're starting with too.